Alright, so we're here today at Cherokee Wholesale Fireworks. It's on the state line between Georgia and Alabama. And we're going to be doing a small tour here. So I guess we'll start in this corner over here with the assortments. Got some rockets. Big bricks. This one's got some weight to it. I shot this one a couple years back. It was actually really nice. Reminds me of One Bad Mother from World Class because of all the crackling and stuff. Or actually, no, this is Brocade. This isn't the crackle one. My bad. But they might have it over here because there's a lot of other mammoth variations of the cakes. The Ring of Fire, he told me that this one was really nice. He shot this one last night, and it has that really cool effect right here. And it's 36, not bad. Oh, this is the crackle one. Okay. Might pick this up. This one looks like it's got some weight to it and pretty cool effects. But yeah, the 200 grams here, the prices are not bad at all. And they carry a lot of Maddox, Cherry Bomb, as you can see, mostly Dominator, but they've got a little bit of everything. I'm gonna go over here because I didn't finish on this side. artillery. Some 5-inch shells. $18.99. Some X-Scales. Then they have the Pirates 5-inch and the Grand Jury 5-inch shells. They got some 500 grams over here. These are like under 20, so they're like what, 16 I think on most of these. The effects. Then you got all the novelties and stuff. This middle aisle. $5 minutes for $2. So yeah, like I said, this is pretty much, you can buy by the case here too. So all you have to do is pretty much ask for the list. So here's the list right here. And here's his business card. And here's the directions. I'll put them down in the description though, so you guys can pretty much go about it that way. And yeah, if you want to pay this guy a visit, or pretty much Cherokee Wholesale Fireworks, you can always stop by. They have, like I said, they have some really good prices here, and I recommend going here because also not a lot of places in Georgia or Alabama, I would say, do wholesale, and even then they still have pretty good prices on their retail if you don't want to buy it by the case. So yeah, this is pretty much Cherokee Wholesale Fireworks. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.